Ilife V7s Plus is a robot vacuum cleaner that can vacuum and mop simultaneously with a water-filled dust-collecting tank. As it moves, the rolling and side brush rotate swiftly, taking in debris and dust. In the meantime, eye-dropping technology keeps the mop wet at the minimum amount of water usage. Simple and convenient to use. All you need to do is to fill the water tank, put the tank back, and start. In the case you don't need mopping, use the dust collector only. Apply to any surface. It could even climb up to 15 degrees and move smoothly on the carpet. Multiple cleaning modes available, including Auto Cleaning Mode, Edge Cleaning Mode, which focuses on corners and edges, Spot Cleaning Mode, targeting on a specific area, and Schedule Cleaning Mode. Its slim body design adds to its mobility, making it easier to reach narrow spaces. Perfect anti-collision system, minimizing the impact for any possible collision. Equipped with 4 cliff sensors, which prevents Ilife V7s Plus from falling off stairs. Huge battery capacity allows for up to 2 hours of cleaning. It returns to its charging base automatically when the battery was low. Once the self-charging process is done, it's good to go again.